welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make Chinese style Maggi noodles. This is a very delicious and an instant recipe. You can enjoy this recipe anytime you wish. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Heat sufficient amount of water in a pan. When the water is nicely boiling, add 1 Maggi cake. Let this cook in high flame for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, the noodles is well done, so strain off the water and spread it in a plate like this. Let this cool a little. Now heat a pan. Into this add 2 tablespoons of oil. When the oil is hot, add 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic and 1 red chilli chopped. Give it a quick mix. Then to this add 1 onion thinly sliced, few capsicum thinly sliced, and few carrots thinly sliced. Saute for a few seconds. Then to this add the cooked Maggi and mix it well. Now to this add the Maggi taste maker that comes along with the Maggi noodles. Mix it well and make sure the masala is well spread. Now go ahead and add half teaspoon of vinegar, half teaspoon of soya sauce and half teaspoon of chilli sauce. Mix it well. Finally, sprinkle some spring onions and our delicious Chinese style Maggi noodles is now ready. Serve it right away and enjoy with your family and friends. Very easy, delicious and a simple recipe. So do try this Chinese style Maggi noodles recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.